What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. It helps a lot. It helps a lot. Trust me, it helps a lot of people. So I've been wanting to compare these two. I'll show you what I got. I got the 1906R, which is a very, very popular shoe at the moment. And I've got its basically competitor, you could say, which is the Vomero 5. They are basically competing at the moment. This version of the 1906R has a different kind of mesh. Usually the type of mesh is the same as the Vomero. So I can't really compare it too much right now, but I will definitely kind of compare for now and get into everything, similarities and differences of these shoes. Let's hope they don't fall. So yeah, we've got the two pairs, 1906R. This is actually a slightly different version, and we've got the Vomero 5. So we'll just start off with, like, usually the 1906R has the same mesh, so that's like a similarity between the two. Other than that, there's the sole. So the way the sole is, if you see on this side, it's all one standard midsole, but then when you go to the back, you can see it starts getting into that kind of broken up sole, and you could say like near identical midsole on the back. Obviously one company's done it different, the other company's done it slightly different on the back. On the uppers, you can see that they're very similar. If you actually look at them properly, you can notice there's that plastic there and there's the plastic there on the back. Even kind of where the placement is of the logo, if I actually try to hold them equal, it's kind of in line, you could say, because normally Nike does have it like kind of up. New Balance, they've got it right there on that plastic. This is kind of like a sticker type thing, so it's not in the plastic, but it's basically a similarity. Going around, we still got hints of leather on the upper, same thing. The swoosh, obviously Nike's got the standard swoosh, New Balance got that N. One main difference I do see in the lacing is the Vomero lacing is kind of wider. Obviously these are completely different shoes, but they are kind of the competitor. So the Vomero is wider itself as a shoe, and the lacing is kind of wider. If you see the 1906R, it kind of is a bit more narrow, sleek silhouette, and the laces are obviously not as far apart as they would be. Also the laces are different, so these are like flat laces, these are rounded laces, but you can always change laces. But yeah, I don't really have too many similarities and differences, to be honest. I didn't want to do a full-on look into it. I just wanted to kind of show. With sizing as well, what's mad is these fit true to the New Balance size, these fit true to the Nike size, and the comfort, honestly, I might have to give it to the Vomero. I might have to actually give it to the Vomero. Even though I love the New Balances, the Vomero just comes out on top ever so slightly. They are kind of more a wider fit than these, but yeah, they are slightly more comfortable. They are actually slightly more lighter, or to me anyway. I haven't got a scale and I'm not going to weigh them. But yeah, just a quick similarities and differences of these two amazing shoes, if I'm honest. Just quick video to highlight that. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think of all the content. Watch all the videos, all the comparison videos, all of that. And take care, my people.